Shandong Zhucheng International Trade Company Limited has affiliated factories. Zhucheng Xinye Machinery Company Limited is an enterprise that integrates professional research and development and manufacturing of food machinery and output of overall solutions for food manufacturing processes. It has 3 national invention patents, 5 utility model patents, CE International certification, and ISO 9001 system certification. The company covers an area of 7,800 square meters, with independent product commercial exhibition halls and independent laboratories, a production workshop of 6,000 square meters, and an office building of 1,800 square meters. The company currently has 9 engineering and technical personnel specialized in 3-dimensional design, materials engineering, and mechanical design and manufacturing, involving fruit and vegetable processing, low-temperature vacuum frying, and sauces processing engineering industries. We have our own independent laboratory that can run complete saturated production simulation testing of all products before leaving the factory and obtain data during the development process of new products to shorten the distance between technology and users. Our technical staff have even been recognized as expert committee members by the China Canned Can Industry Association, with high-end technical talents, strong research and development, and a complete quality assurance system. We are tireless in technological innovation. We adhere to the policy of quality first, customer first, integrity-based, win-win situation between supply and demand. Creating famous and high-quality products and building a first-class enterprise is our eternal goal.